Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will be taking a look at this Whirlpool electric freestanding oven. We will show you how to remove and replace your cooktop. Now, let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tool you will need to complete this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. The main reasons why you'd be replacing your cooktop is purely cosmetic. Maybe there's a crack in the glass because something fell. It could be tarnished from things boiling over or just heat, or maybe the paint on the front, sides, or back panel is cracked and you want to replace it. To remove your cooktop, first we will open the door. There are 2 Phillips screws underneath each corner that will need to be removed. Set those aside. Lift up on the front of your cooktop and start to slide forward. Lift up and set it aside. To install your cooktop, be very careful. First, slide it into place. Keep it lifted up. Drop it down. And slide it into the correct position. It should be all the way down on the sides. Next, there are 2 screws underneath that will need to be reinstalled. You may have to move your cooktop around a little bit just to line it up. Install your first screw, reinstall your second screw, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.